Today I am gonna recommend you a novel called Love You 59 Seconds. Here it's the synopsis of the novel. You may pause the video and read it. Now, if you are done reading it and is interested, you can go and start reading this novel. And if you are still here to get some spoilers, then you may go ahead. This novel is actually a 2011 Chinese novel with 69 chapters, which are fully English translated, written by author Yun Gao Shi Fei. This novel has a rating of 4.4 out of 5 in novel updates. So, with that said, let's start the video. The story is about Wuhan, who is a college student and is an orphan, who only has a so called aunt in this world who doesn't treat him that well. So basically, Wuhan has no one in this world to care for him. He lives in college dorms. Now, when he sees his roommates playing a online game so passionately, he also wants to give it a try. But instead of selecting a male character, he chooses a female character. Now, don't ask me why he chooses a female character, cause I don't remember. In the game, he meets a player named Love You 59 Seconds who helps him out. Now, Love You 59 Second is actually called Xia Chen, who is a professor in the same university as Wuhan. But Xia Chen is actually a businessman and not a professor. Now, you will ask me, then why he is a professor? Then I'll answer you cause he is in a vacation. Like, seriously? No, seriously? This man got a really serious problem. Just please tell him what a vacation is called. Okay, no more melodramas. So, once when he was playing, he notices Wuhan's character and finds it a little clumsy, so he helps him out. Then he realizes that the player he just helped doesn't even know that he's actually a god level player, which interests Xia Chen as everyone approaches him just to get his help. This was his first time when someone approached him without any intentions. After which they start to play together and all the other players recognizes Wuhan as their sister-in-law or their boss's wife. So, by seeing all this, Wuhan at the end finally exposes his real identity. Not his real identity actually, he just tells them that he is not a girl but is actually a boy and apologizes to Xia Chen. And Xia Chen accept him as well. And with that, all the other players accepts him as well. Now, Xia Chen and Wuhan actually met personally without knowing each other's second identity.
Of course, they will meet. They are at the same college. Just tell me something new, okay?
Okay, I'm telling. Now, in the real world, Xia Chen and Wuhan also gets to know each other and get attracted to each other as well. Now, Wuhan emails Xia Chen twice with both his identities, which leads Xia Chen to know Wuhan's real identity or both of his identities. But Xia Chen doesn't tell Wuhan that he is Love You 59 Seconds and approaches him as well. But well, at the end, he also confesses his real identity that he is Love You 59 Second. So, these were the spoilers of Love You 59 Seconds, and this novel is actually a awesome work which I really enjoyed and hope you guys enjoy this work as well. Okay, now you will say that there was not much spoilers. Okay, I got it. There was not very much of spoilers, but the story is actually straightforward. While you read the synopsis, you will get the plot, right? It just two people meet online, and then one person get to know the other person in personally but hides his true identity and approaches the other. But at the end he also confesses that he is the other player, and then they fall in love with each other's real identities, blah blah blah, and happy ending. Okay, these are the major things which happens in every almost in every online gaming. So the story was very straightforward. There was not much spoilers or any secrets or anything, but it was very fun to read this novel, and I hope you guys also have the fun I had while I was reading this novel. So with that said, and without taking much of your time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, do whatever you want to do till then, and read some novels or just watch some videos on YouTube. Okay, bye bye.